Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna do a replacement on a starter on the Audi A4 2010. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so to be able to take that starter out, I have to remove this air filter right here, and also the cat right there. I have already take off some screw there, try to get it loose so I can kind of get into it. Okay, like that. And now, so I think it started right underneath that cat. So I probably have to remove this bolt right here. Probably three or four, I don't know. Probably, I hope it's just 3 bolts right here. So kind of loose it up and move it out of the way a little bit so I can see where the starter is. And underneath here. They have that bolt right there. Right there, that bolt right here. Yep, this. Size is it's a 5/8. Here, that starter. Okay, let's see if I can take it out. But I'm thinking take this one off. Okay. So to be able to take off the starter here, you gotta take off the cat here off, and they have, so you can't be able to get through that bolt back here. See right here, so you can take that bolt off. That's the one bolt on the top to hold the starter. And down there you gotta take off the motor mount. That's right here. So this motor mount that I took it off, and this the other bracket, because this bracket is hold up the starter right there. There's no way that you can take that starter out without taking that bracket off. See it out. Now I have access to it. And there, that starter located. You see in the bottom thing right here, that's another bolt. So this is a old starter that I just took off from the 2010 Audi A4. I purchased a new one right here from O'Reilly. So I think the connection is more important. It's just a one pin in there. And this one, yep, I think the same thing. Yep. So there it is. All right, let's do it. Okay, let's put this back on. Go this way. This one have a low. This 5/8 socket. gonna tighten it up yet. Let's check the top first. Yep. Make sure that line up first before we tighten it up. So you see that bolt right there? It's 18 millimeter, and don't forget the washer right there. Yep, this. Can't put my hand in there. There's washer right here. There's a washer. Yep, don't forget that. And ready to tie everything back up and put the bracket on and the motor mount, so it's ready to go. Stay tuned. So this is the bottom part. So that screw right there. That's I use 5/8. So I already tied the top up, and the bottom here not super tight yet, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. And yeah, that's a new starter right there. So all right, let's get it done. And this bracket for the motor mount, they go like this. Go underneath it. Like that. That's why we not be able to take it out, the starter, without taking that off. It's just like a C-cup cover that starter. Take a look at outside. Let's see. See that mount where it sit. So that screw right there, they connect the motor mount to the bracket. So, and I still have another screw, two screw right here. That's the whole the mount. Yep, to hold the motor mount. So, well, let me wrap it up and finish it up and I'll show you. Alright. So you gotta line up the mount here. They have two bolts right here. Yep, one bolt right there and one right on the right hand side. And then you gotta line up the one in the middle right there. That one right there, yeah. See my finger? That's gonna line, that's gonna connect the mount to the bracket for hold the engine. So that would be the, it was the 18 millimeter. Alright, let's look like this. Or you have a triple square. If you don't have that, you also can use that. Yeah, 18 millimeter will fit that. So I got it on there. So now I gotta go back underneath the car to line it up the bracket mount to the engine before I tie everything up. Alright, this one right here, I have to put this cover back to hold the mount. Okay. There's two screws right here. stay on top. Triple square tool. Look like that. It's a M8. Yep. But don't tie this up yet. You gotta line it up that tool right here. Make sure. I know you can see, but make sure the screw that I showed you earlier from the back. Yeah, it will screw into that first. Right here, I can show it from here. Okay, right there, one, and the other one there, like 8. I got this size in. Yeah, see this size in. Now I gotta install bottom tool here. And 2 on top. Yep. Yeah, right here. One there and on the other side. Below the catalyst converter. Down there, you see it? Right here. That right here. And another 2. I'll show you. Yeah, right. Another 2, you can see it easy right here. See it? Right, 2 right here. And 1 on top that I showed you earlier right there. And you can see the other one. And there's a starter right there. Yep. And 2 screws over here. There's like a hole up that mount. So the 2 screws right there is from outside that I showed you earlier. The hole up that right here, that screw right here. And another one on the other side. So that's it. So you want to replace the starter for this vehicle. That's what you need to do. Take that mount off so you can be able to pull that starter off. Okay, so right now we got everything back on. No starter. So there we go. That's it. That's how it was. So there, the Audi 2010 A4 that we just did a replacement on the starter. So if you like the video, don't forget, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.